Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use Telegram without your phone number. Okay, so when you go to the Play Store and you search for Telegram, you want to download the Telegram app from your App Store, and then you want to open it up. When you first open up the Telegram app, it's going to ask you for a phone number. So what you want to do is go onto Google. You want to search for temporary phone number and then hit search. You will see all the results. I recommend tapping on the first result, which is receive SMS online, and you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see all the available numbers. You can just go ahead and click on open, and you just need to close the ad that shows up. So close the ad, and right here you can see all the messages that appear from this phone number. So you can go into Telegram, you can put in this phone number, and then it will ask you to put in your email. And then what you can do is get all the codes to this temporary mail, and then you'll be able to create your account with the temporary phone number, and then you can log in with that temporary phone number and without using your main number. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.